Hello coders, today we are going to make an Python code which can create a map of your area just using your coordinates. At first, we will create an Python file. Then open the file in the IDLE. Now first we will need to download the library named folium. Now copy the command and paste it in command prompt. In my case, the library is already installed on my system. Now import the library. Now we will use the folium.map function and the coordinates of your area to create a map. Now enter the coordinates of your area. Now save the map made in .html format. Now open the file saved in your PC. Full code, link in description.
So rude.